So what had happened was, oh yeah, so I just woke up this morning and my left eyelashes were already like just slipped off. They were gone. And for some reason, my right eye had like a few loose, but like a majority had the whole eyelash set still, and it was like kind of irritating and itchy, and I honestly couldn't handle it no more. So what I did was I went on YouTube. Oh, shout out to my girl Baby Yogana for inspiring me. I think she got I wanted to get the same eyelash remover that she got to take off my eyelash extensions. I think she used the Kiss one. But and then like it came with that little felt tip thing. Like I don't know. Well, anyways, they didn't have that. So I just asked people at Sally's. This is what they had. I don't know. Supposedly it had some bad reviews, but the girl at the counter, she gave me some instructions, and overall it worked. Just have a little eye irritation, but I think that's like the majority from all the YouTube videos I was watching. I mostly just watched like 2 of them. But just put some Vaseline on it because it was a little irritated. So stay tuned if you want to see how I removed my eyelashes. My eyelash extensions basically just slipped off after I came home from Disneyland, but they had already been on for like a good while. And then this one like came off halfway, and now it's bothering me, and this one didn't want to come off with the oils that I had at home. So I did a quick run to Sally's, and they recommended me this. The girl said do one coat first of 10 minutes, leave it, and then she told me to put another coat for 5 minutes, and then start rubbing it with some Q-tip things. But before I do all that, I'm gonna cut it because I have to go to the store again real quick. I don't have time to be sitting down and waiting, so I'm just gonna trim this little piece right here because I really can't see. So a lot of my things came off. Good couple bundles, a couple clusters. Okay, I'm gonna go do a quick run to the store, then I'm gonna come back and do this. As you can see here, I really did go to Walmart. I am being ratchet. Look at these ratchet eyelashes. Looks like I'm a cyclops right here. Oh, no eyelashes, eyelashes. Out here being ratchet in Walmart. You already know what it is. Coming to a Walmart near you. Oh, there's my mom. Hi, Mom. Peace out, guys. So it comes in this little bottle, and the girl at Sally, she had told me to like put it with a Q-tip for apply your first coat and then wait 10 minutes, then put your second coat for 5 minutes, and then she said start rubbing it with the Q-tip slowly, and it should be coming off no problem. So I'm gonna just do that real quick. I know it's like, it smells a little strong. It smells like that stuff for your nails, like to take off the nail polish remover. She said 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put it just set a timer for 10 minutes. I'm just gonna be watching some YouTube videos till my 10 minutes is up. Well, my 10 minutes just ended. So I'm gonna do one more coat. But I forgot to show you guys, I noticed right after I did my first coat, like, I don't know if this is like part of the the glue or the because you know when you go and then they put like that coat of like mascara. They call it like a mascara coat. I don't know, like some of it's coming off, I guess, because like it's like black. So I don't know, it's probably doing something. Looks like it's doing something. So I'm gonna go in. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it, but it said the instructions said to use like a eyelash brush, but I don't have one of those, so I'm just using, I keep on using Q-tips. I just keep on like triple soaking it. I don't know if this is what I'm supposed to do, but this is what I'm doing. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I don't know, it looks, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like, I don't know, that little speck right there, it looks like it's part of the glue. It looks like it's starting to come off. But the girl said do 2 coats. First one wait 10 minutes, second one wait 5 minutes. But because I don't have like that eyelash thing or eyeliner brush to apply it, I'm just doing like double layer coats because I feel like, I don't know, it might work better. I just dropped like half of my bottle. Oh wait, no, but I dropped a little bit. Probably dropped like a third of it. Nobody could see it. It's fine though, I caught it in time. Okay, I just finished applying my second quadruple coat. Technically my second coat. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. Be back. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos, then I'll come back. So my 5 minutes are up. Then the girl told me after the 5 minutes, get another Q-tip and you can start like rubbing it. It should start coming off. So that's what I'm about to do. As you can see here, right here, I'm rubbing and rubbing my eyelashes, pulling and tugging on them. I already had finished my coat, so now it's like time to take them off. A couple hairs are coming off here and there, so a couple baby lashes coming off. And I don't know if I said this already, but it's a little disclaimer that I am not a professional. The only reason I'm doing this right now is because, shout out to Johnny Lashes, but they're closed on, I think it's like Sundays and Mondays. And I had to go to work in a couple hours, I think this day or the next day, and I couldn't wait. I was tired of looking like a cyclops. So to be honest, this little process right here took like 2 hours. Oh, you can already see it. I'm already like making some progress. Couple clusters just came out. Changing my music. Taking a little break. Oh, then I like finally got tired of tugging on my eye, so I put a little Vaseline on it. A little Vaseline because my top of my eye was getting a little irritated, a little moisture. I don't know, I felt like it helped. So that's what I did. I put some Vaseline. And actually, after I put some Vaseline, a couple more clusters just came off. So I don't know if you guys want to put Vaseline too. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's what I did. So again, I am not a professional. The place where I usually go, they usually just charge me $10. I honestly just would have went there, but like I said, they were closed. So this was like my last resort. Out here tugging on my eyelashes some more. Changing a song, taking a little break, little yawn. Back to tugging on my eyelashes. even more. They will not come off. This, like I said, this is like a whole process. This literally took me like around 2 hours. And it's only one eye. I was lucky I woke up with my left eye already slipped off. Oh, oh, oh. There it goes. There it goes. Almost. Almost. Ouch. That looked painful. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. That one was hard. Then I'm just wiping off the excess. I think that was like the last one. And to clean up my area, I just got some makeup wipes. Like I said before many times, I don't know if this is what I'm supposed to do, but this is what I did. Just rubbed off all the excess because I already took them all off. Then to finish it off with some Vaseline because my top eyelid was a little dry. And just, these are all my clusters. So I just want to say, these were all my clusters. This was the result. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Post a like. Drop a beautiful comment. Put the bell notification. You guys already know what to do. And thanks.